Okay, take up, that is one example here. The set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. That told us the relation R from set A to set A only. Right? The relation R from set A to set A now. Right? Take it is A cross A. Right? Then how many order pairs here? Then what are the order pairs? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 are the order pairs in that is the Cartesian product, that is A cross A now. Right? Now take up, that is next bit of identity relation. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇವಾಗ secondary relation start ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, take up, what is the meaning of identity relation here? Right, the relation on the set A is called identity relation. Every element of set A is related to itself only. Right, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, relation on the set A is called identity relation. Every element is related to itself only. Every element is related to itself only. That is said to be what here? That is said to be a identity relation. Right? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿನಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಸಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? They are taken first one is that is a identity relation. That is every element is related to itself only now. Right? They are wrote a relation in a set builder form. R is equals to order pair A comma A such that no doubt both the elements are belongs to ಯಾವ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು A set only. ಯಾಕ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. Right? Take up examples now. Take up example. Right? We know that the set A is equals to what here? 1, 2, 3, 4 now. The set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our set barama. Take up, that is set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Okay. Take this up. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. The relation R from A to A now. Relation ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ? Set A to set A now. Right? How many order pairs there are? Total 16 order pairs ಇರ್ತಾವ. Right? ನಾ ಅದರೊಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Take that is a relation R is equals to now. Right? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾ ಏನು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಅದರೊಳಗಿಂದು ಏನು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ? Only order pairs pick ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. Right? Take it is a that is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 1 that is 2 comma 2 next 3 comma 3 next that is 4 comma 4 now 4 comma 4. Right? Idu one relation ada. Right? Take up, that is another relation, that is R is equals to 1 comma 1 that is 2 comma 2 next 3 comma 3. Okay, stop here only. Right? These are what here? Two relations. Right? Now I have to tell which relation is identity relation, which one is not a identity relation. ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು identity relation ಅದ, ಯಾವುದು identity relation ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the meaning of identity relation? Who are in other words, right? Identity relation is nothing but what? That is all doublets. All doublets. All doublets. Right? ಯಾವ doublets ಕೊಡೋದು? The given set A or set A has all what here? All doublets now. Right? Summon simple thing ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. All the doublets is nothing but what here? Identity elements now. Right? All the doublets meaning set A ದಾಗ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅವು ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಡಬಲ್ ಅವೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. See here 1 1 doublet. 2 2 doublet. 3 it is 3 3 doublet. 4 4 4 doublet. Now it is said to be which relation? Identity relation. ಯಾವ relation ಅದು? Identity relation ಅದ. Right? Take up, that is second relation here, that is 1 comma 1. Okay, one element it is doublet here. Correct? Second element is 2 doublet here. 3 doublet. 4 doublet miss ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. So therefore it is not a identity relation. Right? It is not a identity relation now. Right? Take another relation, that is R is equals to 1 comma 1, that is 2 comma 2, next 3 comma 3. Okay, next that is 4 comma 4 and 1 comma 2 now. Is it this one is a identity relation? It is not a identity relation. Reason why? 1 2 ಏನರಲ್ಲಿ extra. So therefore it is not a identity relation. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಟ್ ಏದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡಬಲೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ಡಬಲೆಟ್ ಅವ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಲ್ಲ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 ಡಬಲೆಟ್ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 4 ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ therefore it is not a identity relation now. Right? Take another relation, 1 1 ಡಬಲೆಟ್ here, 2 2 3 3 4 4. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನು ಬಂದಲ್ಲ, 1 2 ಬಂತು. 1 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್? 1 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ therefore it is not a identity relation now. Right? Identity relation meaning ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಬೇಡಮ್ಮ. Identity relation meaning ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಡಬಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿನೂ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಡಬಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ರೈಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay, take up, that is next relation is a reflexive relation now. Right? A relation R defined on the set A is said to be reflexive if that is A is belongs to A comma, that is order pair A comma A is belongs to, that is a real number. Sorry, that is belongs to relation now. Okay. Or in take another definition, the every element related to itself and can be related to other as well. That is said by here reflexive relation. Right? Reflexive relations ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅಂತವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತೀನಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ repeat here, take up, that is set A is equals to what, 1 2 3 4 now. 1 2 3 4, the relation R from A to A is nothing but what here, these are the order pairs now. Right? Write down the relation. Now check which one is reflexive, which one is not a reflexive relation now. Right? The relation R is equals to 1 comma 1 and it is 2 comma 2 and it is 3 comma 3. Okay, next it is 4 comma 4 now. 4 comma 4. Right? Close now. Right? Same as it is, take another one is R is equals to, that is 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 and it is 3 comma 3. Okay, it is 4 comma 4 now. Right? Take another relation, that is R is equals to 1 comma 1, it is 2 comma 2, next 3 comma 3 and it is 4 comma 4. Right? Next that is 1 comma 2 now. 1 comma 2. Right? The relation R is equals to 1 comma 1 and it is 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and okay, close now. 3 comma 3 now. Right? See, these are the what here? 4 relations. Right? The first one relation is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4 and again these are the what here? Remaining 3 relations now. Right? Check the which one is identity, which one is reflexive relation and which one is not a reflexive relations. Right? ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅದ, ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Right? We know that reflexive relation, another definition, take it is a reflexive relation is equals to now. Okay. Reflexive relation is equals to, right? It actually proper ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ನೆನಪಿಡೋಸಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಾತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, all doublets plus other ordered pairs, then other ordered pairs now, other ordered pairs. Okay, all the doublets is that is mandatory, all the doublets is what here, mandatory. Okay, and other ordered pairs is what here, that is optional. Other ordered pairs is nothing but what here, ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ ಅದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ now check it is the first one is reflexive relation or not now reflexive relation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅದದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು take it is 1 1 doublet 2 2 doublet 3 3 doublet 4 4 doublet correct no doubt now it is said to be which relation reflexive relation ಏನದು ಇದು reflexive relation ಅದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ is it the first one is identity relation or not identity relation because it is all pure doublets here ಎಲ್ಲ doublets ಅವ ಅದು ಇದು meaning now the given relation is a reflexive relation as well as a identity relation ಎರಡು ಆಗ್ತವೆ right take up the second one here what is the main set here the set A is 1 2 3 4 is main set now right check up the relation second relation here 1 1 2 2 3 3 is it this one is reflexive relation it is not a reflexive relation adu reflexive relation ಆದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ 4 4 doublet miss ಆಗಿದೆ so therefore it is not a reflexive relation okay is it it is identity relation it is not a identity relation reason again the 4 doublet is not present here right same as it is take the third relation 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 1 2 now 1 2 is it the given relation is a reflexive relation yes it is a reflexive relation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು all doublets of ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ದೇನಾ all the doublets is mandatory plus other order pairs is maybe optional ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಬರ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ now here first check focus about doublets now 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 doublets clear ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನದ ಇವಾಗ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನೂ ಅದ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಬಂತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು 1 2 ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ now the relation is said to be here reflexive relation is it the given the third relation is identity relation ಇದು identity relation ಅದಲ್ಲ it is not a identity relation because 1 2 is a extra order right same as it is take r is equals to 1 1 2 2 3 now is it okay repeat a question idu repeat aita take next is 4 4 now right or maybe take another one is 1 2 and this 2 1 1 2 2 1 is it the given relation is reflexive relation it is a reflexive relation or not it is a reflexive relation now because all the order pairs here doublets now okay is it the given relation is identity relation it is not a identity relation because 1 2 2 1 are extra order pairs now it is not a identity relation now right same as it is take that is r is equals to that is a cross a now a cross a is nothing but which relation here universal relation ಅಂತಾರೆ a cross a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ that is a cross a is nothing but what here that is a 16 order pairs here now right check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ is it this one is ಇದೆ right ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ a cross ಏನೇ ಇದು right ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ is it the given relation is a reflexive relation ಅದ reflexive relation ಅದ ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 1 ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ 2 2 ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ next 3 3 ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ 4 4 ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ no doubt now the universal relation is what here reflexive relation universal relation ಅದ reflexive relation ಅದ right is it that is identity relation it is identity relation it is not a identity relation because an extra order pairs ಬಂತು ನಾವು so therefore it is not a identity relation now right ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನನಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ right? Reflexive relation is maybe one or more than one. Relation reflexive relations ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಒಂದೇ ಬರಬಹುದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೀಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಯಾಕ? ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ನಂಗೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಎಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದ್ರು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಇರ್ತದ? ಏನೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ r is equals to what here? It is 1, 1, it is 2, 2 and it is 3, 3 now. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 now. Right? Is it the given relation is a reflexive relation? ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆದ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? 4, 4 ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So therefore it is not a reflexive relation. ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಡಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ? 4, 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. So therefore it is not a reflexive relation. Right? Is it it is identity relation here? It is identity relation. It is not a identity relation because again there is no doublets, that is 4, 4 now. Right? This is the what here difference between the identity relation and reflexive relation. Okay, simple matter. The identity relation and the reflexive relation is difference meaning the identity relation meaning pure doublets is now. Reflexive relation meaning the exactly pure doublets or maybe more than doublets now. Right? That is the reflexive relation now. Okay, right. Okay, take up that is next relation is a symmetric relation now, right? The definition is a relation R on the set A is said to be symmetric relation if A comma B is belongs to R and B comma S belongs to R for all A comma B is belongs to, that is a relation now is said to be what? A symmetric relation. In other words, take a simple, that is A comma B belongs to R and B comma S belongs to R, then it is said to be a symmetric relation, right? ಯಾವತ್ತು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದ. ನಮ್ಮ ಓನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್? A comma B, B comma A is belongs to R, then it is said to be what here? Then it is said to be a symmetric relation. Symmetric relation ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? AB BA ಎರಡು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಾ. ರೈಟ್? ಟೇಕ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ A here. Set A standard two ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ 1 2 3 4 is what here? That is the relation, that set A now. Set A. Again the relation R from what here? Set A to set A only. ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ set A ಲಿಂದ set A ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅವಾಗ? 16 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅವ. ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. Right? Take up in which the first relation now. Take up in which the first relation now. Okay, relation now. First relation. Right? The relation R is equals to now. The relation R is equals to. The relation R is equals to now. The relation R is equals to. Right? Take it is 1, 1. Order pair, that is 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 now. Close my word. Right? Take up again second relation here. The second relation R is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2, next 3, 3 and it is 4, 4 now. 4 now. Right? Take up another relation R is equals to, that is 1, 2 and it is 2, 1 now. 1, 2, 2, 1. Right? Same as it is the relation R is equals to 1, 2, next 2, 3, okay, next 2, 1, next it is 3, 2 now. Right? Same as it is, take the relation R is equals to 1, 1 and it is 2, 2, it is 3, 3 and 4, 4. Okay, next that is 1, 2 now. 1, 2 now. Right? Take another relation R is equals to, it is 1, 1, next 2, 2, next 3, 2 and it is 2, 3 and it is 1, 3 now. 1, 3. Right? Same as it is the relation R is equals to 1 comma 1 and this 2 comma 2. Next 1 comma 3 and this 3 comma 1 and 2 comma 3 now. Right? Then the last one is the relation R is equals to, that is A cross A now. A cross A meaning Cartesian product now. Right? Okay. Is relations को ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ now check the which relation is identity, which relation is symmetric, which relation is reflexive now. Right? ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. MCQ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನಾ. Right, I am taken how many relations here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 8 questions are. Right, one by one now. Now the first one is ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ದ ಯಾವಾಗಿದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಾವು. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು? ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಾ. ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ರೈಟ್? Okay, take up the first relation. Now check it is a identity or reflexive or maybe symmetric. ಏನದ ಮೂರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನೆನಪು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರ್ದಾರ ಅವರು? A, B is belongs to R, B, is belongs to R meaning A, B ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? B, A ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. 1 1 ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲದ? 1 1 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲದ? ಇದೇ ಅದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1 1 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, 1 1 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು 1 1 ಅದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? now it is 2 2. that is again 2 2 only. 3 3 3 3 only. no doubt now it is said to be which relation? Symmetric relation. it is said to be here symmetric relation. sir separate ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. right, now it is a symmetric relation. is it the first this one relation is a reflexive relation? ಅದು reflexive relation ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ. reason 4 4 order is not present there. okay, is it this one? this is a identity relation? it is not a identity relation. correct? meaning the given relation is only symmetric relation. ಅದು ಯಾವ relation ಅದ? ಅದು only symmetric relation ಅದ. take the second one is a 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. now check it is a symmetric or not. 1 1 reverse, 1 1 this one only. 2 2 reverse, 2 2 only. 3 3 order pair reverse this one only. 4 4 reverse this one. Correct? no doubt. now it is said to be here symmetric relation. it is a symmetric relation. is it the second relation is a reflexive relation? ada reason all the doublets are there now. ಎಲ್ಲ doublets are. right, is it the relation is again identity relation? it is identity relation. okay, check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದ ಗೊತ್ತದಾ? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮೂರು ಆಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ದ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 2 2 1 ನಾ. 1 2 2 1 1 2 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. 1 2 reverse 2 1 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. no doubt. now it is said to be which one? which relation here? symmetric relation now. correct? is it the given relation is a reflexive relation? ಇದು reflexive ಅದನಾ? it is not a reflexive relation. ಯಾಕ? doublets ಇಲ್ಲ. identity ಇದನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, doublets ಇಲ್ಲ. right, check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 1 2 2 3 2 1 3 2. is it this one? this is a symmetric relation? it is symmetric relation adana? it is a symmetric relation because 1 2 reverse 2 1. correct? 2 3 reverse 3 2 na. no doubt. it is which relation here? symmetric relation. okay, is it this one? this is a reflexive relation? it is not a reflexive because there is no doublets. right, identity relation? it is not a identity relation. right, same as it is take another relation 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 1 2 now. okay, now tell me the relation is a reflexive symmetric relation? it is not a symmetric relation. ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ 2 1 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 1 1 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 2 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 3 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 4 4 ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 1 2 ಅದ ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1 ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೊ therefore it is not a symmetrical relation reason ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು that is 2 1 does not belongs to ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು that is 2 1 does not belongs to r ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ so therefore it is not a symmetrical relation now right okay is it that relation is a reflexive relation
Yes, sir.
is a reflexive relation that ಮೊದಲ ಡಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ 1 ಡಬಲ್ 2 2 ಡಬಲ್ 3 3 ಡಬಲ್ 4 4 ಡಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೀತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ now it is a reflexive relation right okay check it is identity relation it is not identity relation because 1 2 double ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ that is 1 2 now pure ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ pure ಇಲ್ಲ right same as it is the again next one relation is 1 1 2 2 3 3 2 2 3 1 3 now okay is it the given relation is a symmetric relation ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ reason 1 3 belongs to r 1 3 ಅದ but 3 1 does not belongs to r now that 1 1 reverse okay 2 2 okay 3 3 2 2 3 right 1 3 ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ 3 1 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ so therefore it is not a symmetrical relation ಬರಿಬೇಕು reason ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ reason that is 1 3 does not belongs to r so therefore it is not a symmetrical relation now right same as it is it the given relation is a reflexive relation it is not a reflexive relation reason 3 3 double miss ada 4 4 double miss so therefore it is not a reflexive relation right now check it is identity relation or not it is not a identity relation it is not a identity relation okay same as it is next one is 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 1 2 3 okay now tell me it is a symmetric relation or not it is not a symmetric relation reason 2 3 belongs to r but 3 2 does not belongs to r so therefore it is not a symmetrical relation now right same as it is check it is reflexive relation it is not a reflexive relation because 3 3 double ಇಲ್ಲ 4 4 double ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು reason 3 3 does not 3 3 and 4 4 does not belongs to r so therefore it is not a reflexive relation is it the given relation is identity relation it is not a identity relation now right now check it is the last one is r is equals to a cross a meaning cartesian product adu cartesian product alla right is it the cartesian product is symmetric relation ada cartesian product is what here symmetric relation okay 1 1 reverse idela 1 2 2 1 1 3 3 1 next 1 4 4 1 2 1 1 2 okay 2 2 this one only 2 3 3 2 got 3 2 now right 2 4 4 2 ella reverse doubt illa no doubt here the given that is cartesian product is what here symmetrical relation now right is it the cartesian product is again a reflexive relation it is a reflexive relation extra bantu anta barre problem illa no doubt it is a reflexive relation right is it the cartesian product is a identity relation it is not a identity relation it is not a identity relation now right ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಇರಬಹುದು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿನಿ ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಾವ ಬಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಟ್ಟೆ ಬರಲಾಗ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್ right take up that is the third relation is a transitive relation now right a relation r on the set a is said to be transitive if a comma b is belongs to r b comma c is belongs to r then a comma c is belongs to r for all the values of a b c is belongs to a now right another meaning okay Take up in other words, when the relation is said to be transitive relation. Take it is a case 1 now, and it is a case 2. Case 1 now. When the relation is said to be transitive relation, right? If they are given a comma b is belongs to R and b comma c is belongs to R, then automatically a comma c is also belongs to R, then it is said to be which relation now? Transitive relation. Transitive relation, right? Another one is what here? Another one is only a comma b is belongs to R, right? And b comma c does not belongs to R, meaning they are not given BC. They are not given BC. Then not necessary to check what? Then not necessary to check what here? Check that is a AC now. AC belongs to R now. AC belongs to R. Right? Under meaning below. When that relations are said to be transitive relation, AB, BC, AC. If the three order pairs are present, then it is said to be a transitive relation. Okay. They are given only a comma b, then it is said to be also transitive relation now, right? Take an example for what here? Transitive relation. That is R is equals to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. Then 1 comma 3 now. Right? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, and it is 1 comma 3 now. Right? Check here. It is A, B. It is B, C now. Then what is AC? AC is what here? 1 comma 3 now, 1 comma 3. No doubt. Now the relation is what here? Now the relation is a transitive relation. Move over. Take the second case now. Second case. Okay. If the relation R is equals to only 1 comma 2 now, is it now it is the transitive relation? Yes, it is a transitive relation because they are not given BC, means not necessary to check what here? AC, right? Or in put only AB kotara, BC kotilana AC discuss agangilla. So therefore now it is also said to be what here? It is also said to be transitive relation. It is also said to be what here? Transitive relation now, right? Take another relation R is equals to, that is 1 2, and it is 2 1 now, and it is 1 1 now, right? Now tell me, this relation is said to be transitive relation. It is a transitive relation. 1 2 2 1. It is 1 1 now. Correct? Okay, check now. That is 1 2. Next, that is 2 1. No doubt, it is a 1 1 here. So therefore, it is a transitive. Right? It is a B. It is a B C. Next, AC. Right? So reverse baraman. 2 comma 1 first to come. 2 comma 1. Right? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Right? Then it implies now AB, BC, AC andre no? AC 2 comma 2 comma 2 11. 2 comma 2 11. 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R. So therefore it is not a transitive relation. ಬರಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 2, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 1, ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ that is a AC. AC meaning 1 comma 1. Okay, now it is a transitive. Okay, 1 2 2 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ? Transitive ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Take up in another case, that is a reverse here. That is 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. It implies now. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು A B B C. It is what here? AC. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. A B B BC, then AC is 1 comma 1 here. 2 1 1 2, right? A B BC, AC meaning AC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವಾಗ 2 comma 2 ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 2 comma 2 is belongs to ಅದನ್ನ ಇರುವಾಗ 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R, so therefore the given relation is what here? The given relation is not a transitive relation. ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. Right? Now the given relation is not a transitive relation. Okay. Right. Right. Take up again examples here. The set A is equals to 1 2 3 4 and they are given these are the what relations now, right? So practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. The relations are, which relations are said to be reflexive, symmetric and transitive now, right? First solve reflexive and symmetric, then go for what here? Transitive now, right? Now tell me the given relation is there is a reflexive relation. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. It is not a, it is reflexive relation or not? It is a reflexive relation. Is it symmetric relation? This is a symmetric relation. Transitive matana. Okay. Go forward here. Again, this one, this is a reflexive relation. Doublet 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Extra. Okay, naditala. It is what here? Reflexive relation. Okay. Is it symmetric? Symmetric. Is it symmetric? 1 1 ulta, this one only reverse, this one only 3 3 reverse, 4 4 reverse, 1 3 3 1. So therefore it is not a reflexive relation, though symmetrical relation now. Okay. Now tell me this one is a reflexive relation. It is reflexive relation or not? It is not a reflexive relation because the doublets are not present here. That symmetric 1 2 reverse 2 1. It is not a symmetric relation. Okay. Next this one here. Is it a reflexive relation? Reflexive relation? No. Doublet ilva? Doublet illa. Okay. Symmetric meaning reverse. Okay. 1 2 2 1 1 1 reverse 1 1 this one only 1 3 3 1. Okay. Now we set about here symmetric relation now. Right. Next 1 1 doublet 2 2 doublet 3 3 doublet 4 4 not a doublet here. That 4 4 is not a doublet. So therefore it is not a reflexive. Is it symmetric? 1 1 reverse, this one only 2 2 reverse, 3 3 reverse, 1 3 3 1 not present. That 1 3 3 1 not present. So therefore it is not a symmetrical relation now. Right? Same as it is 1 1 doublet, 2 2 doublet, 3 3 doublet. Okay. Now tell me it is again take it is 4 4 doublet now. Is it this one is a reflexive relation? It is reflexive relation. It is a symmetric relation. This is a symmetric relation. Eradu alla wrong. It is not a symmetric reflexive. It is not a symmetric. Reason ಇಲ್ಲಿ bracket ಇಲ್ಲ. Bracket compulsory ಬೇಕು. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Take up reflexive now 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. No doubt it is a reflexive now. Got same as it is a symmetric here. 1 1 reverse 2 2 reverse 3 3 reverse 4 4 reverse 1 2 2 1. Got 2 3 3 2. No doubt it is a symmetric relation. Okay. Next there is A cross A meaning Cartesian product. Is it the Cartesian product is a reflexive relation? Moone antandhiyo hage. Right? Same as it is it a symmetric relation? Yes, it is a symmetric relation now. Okay. Then go for what here? Transitive relation now. Last bit that is a first one is a symmetric. Okay. Take this symmetric relation now because okay. No doubt the first one is a symmetric relation now. Right?
Sir, ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೋ. ರೈಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಲ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. ರೈಟ್ then go for what here transitive relation now. Okay, transitive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇದ್ದು ಎ ಸಿ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೈ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ರೈಟ್ 1 ಮಂತ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದಲ್ಲ 1 ಮಂತ್ 1 ದಿನ ಎಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರಬೇಕು 1 ದಿನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನಾ ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಚೆಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1 1 ಓಕೆ 1 1 ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ it is a BC let us here A B B C AC meaning AC meaning 1 3 now 1 3 लगा 1 3 किधे 1 3 इधर इधे 1 3 इधर no doubt now it is what here transitive relation now okay same as it is a 1 2 see here it is A B B C AC meaning 1,3 here only correct no doubt it is a transitive relation now right take up the another relation is a see here ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನೆ 2, 1 1, 3 ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ 2, 3 now they are not present 2, 3 correct okay so therefore it is not a transitive relation reason very good reason is 2, 1 is belongs to R and 2, 1 is belongs to R and 1, 3 is belongs to R but you know 2, 3 does not belongs to R so therefore it is not a transitive relation okay now take it is a doublet okay leave it doublet up with it 1 3 3 4 1 4 1 4 ಎಲ್ಲದ 1 4 no doubt now it is what here it is not a transitive relation now right 3 4 now okay 3 4 now right same as it is a 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 all the doublets now it is said to what here transitive relation it is not a transitive relation reason bracket it is not a relation actually right same as it is take here again 1 1 doublet leave it 2 2 doublet 3 3 doublet 4 4 doublet 1 2 2 1 okay next take this one here 2 3 2 2 1 okay correction ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಈಗ 3 2 next 2 1 right it is A B B C then AC meaning ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 3, 1 now AC meaning that is 3, 1 now 3, 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ so therefore no doubt now it is said to what here it is not a transitive relation reasoning very good 2, 3, 2 is belongs to R 2, 1 is belongs to R but 3, 1 is does not belongs to R so therefore it is not a transitive relation now right take up the last one is that is Cartesian product now that is A cross A is a transitive or not no doubt it is a transitive relation now ಹೆಂಗು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅದೇ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ A B B C ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ A C ಇರ್ತಾವ so therefore the Cartesian product is what here transitive relation now right take the last point remember here if the relation is a symmetric okay if the relation is a reflexive relation symmetric relation and a transitive relation that relation is said to be equivalence relation that relation is said to be what here equivalence relation ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ನೋದ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನೋದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೋದ ಮೂರು ಇದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನಂತೀನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನು equivalence relation now right now see here 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 now it is reflexive symmetric transitive no doubt it is which relation here equivalence relation right same as it is this one is what the Cartesian product is reflexive symmetric transitive ಕಟ ಮೂರು ಅವ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ